then start there and then work west. Shit, there's got to be a couple coyotes there that might respond.
Possible. Those cows are up in here right now.
Right where they were when we went down there the first time?
They aren't on the meadow anymore. They're up in the hill.
Which should be all right. These two dogs responded to the rabbit within probably 7-8 minutes on the call timer. We had this big male come charging in and put him down, switched it up. About another 30 seconds later, we had another male come charging in, put him down. Made for a real quick double out here in the sandhills. I gotta put a plug in the Tony Burks with tab gear covers. This is exclusively through us at O'Neill Ops. It's the Cryptek Nomad camo pattern, and it's good for multiple reasons. It reduces the mirage of your suppressor as well as concealment. Covers the black can up, and great camouflage pattern. Once again, we're out here in the sandhills. It's pretty dry. We got a little bit of snow cover, but as you can see, all three of us, my cameraman Keith Rissy, Jeff Adamson here, the landowner, and we're all wearing the MCM4 Cobra hoods made by Tactical Concealment. Great piece of gear if you guys are interested in ghillie suits. We're up here in the soap weeds, breaks up your outline, gives you a little bit of chance to move when you need to maneuver and make that shot. We're gonna go hit a couple more sets up and see if we can't put some more fur down. Boom. Record, I'll tell you what I'm gonna say. Well, we walk in, there's a perfect little bowl here in this bottom, and we're talking with Jeff and we're like, dude, let's make a set here. So I decided to let Keith run the camera, Jeff's running the gun, I'm running the gun, and Keith's running the collar. And I'm just sitting there thinking to myself, play the rabbit, just please play the rabbit. I don't want, you know, it works almost every time. And what do you know, he fucking plays the rabbit. And we have a coyote come charging in. That fucker's blazing in. I'm like, oh fuck. And your camera's pointing right at me and I'm like, oh shit, dude. Okay, let me get this. That fucker was a fighter, man. His ears all fucked up. That was, on that camera, that was our third consecutive double, isn't it? It is. The river, Barnes's, here. Third consecutive. Let's keep that shit going.